How to uncoil large bandsaw blades. It's important to wear snug-fitting ANSI or ISEA, A6 or higher cut rated gloves to safely handle large bandsaw blades. Large bandsaw blades, 1 1/2 inch and wider, are packaged in a pretzel or kidney-shaped coil. These coils have 3 loops, including an open loop. Follow these steps to uncoil the bandsaw blade safely and without damaging the teeth. 1. Place the coil on the floor with the teeth up and the open loop to the left. 2. Step into the open loop with your left foot and place your right foot in the next closest loop. 3. Cut the zip tie between these 2 loops. 4. Then, carefully lift your left foot and step into the middle loop. 5. Pivot forward on your left foot, placing your right foot to the open loop. 6. Cut the outside zip tie. 7. And then the remaining one. 8. Carefully step out of the band, allowing it to fully uncoil. Once uncoiled, we recommend leaving tooth protection on the blade until it's installed on the machine.